A fantastic choice for water heater repairs in Los Gatos, California 95030 is Rosenthal Water Softeners and Treatment. At Rosenthal Water Softeners and Treatment, we have years of plumbing knowledge and offer comprehensive services for all types of water heaters, including both modern tankless systems and traditional tank ones. Are you looking for water heater repairs near me? You can stop looking. You found Rosenthal Water Softeners and Treatment. What is the purpose of water heater repairs? In order to ensure that your house or place of business has the hot water you need for daily tasks like cleaning, dishwashing, and showering, water heater repairs aim to ensure your unit operates efficiently and dependably. At Rosenthal Water Softeners and Treatment, we understand how important a working water heater is to your comfort and convenience. What is the most common problem with the water heater? Uneven heating or a shortage of hot water are the most frequent issues Rosenthal Water Softeners and Treatment in Los Gatos, CA handles with water heaters. A broken heating element, a defective thermostat, or silt accumulation in the tank are a few possible causes of these issues. Clogged pipes or issues with the heat exchanger can also affect tankless water heaters. Where is your service area? The communities of Santa Cruz, Soquel, Capitola, Scotts Valley, Aptos, Watsonville, Los Gatos, Saratoga, Campbell, Morgan Hill, Marina, Cupertino, Pacific Grove, Gilroy, and San Jose are among the California towns that Rosenthal Water Softeners and Treatment is happy to serve. Where is your Rosenthal Water Softeners and Treatment located? We are located at 303 Potrero St. Suite 198, Santa Cruz, CA 95060, United States. Our phone number is 831-999-2029. Visit our website, https://santacruzplumbingrepair.com/Santa Cruz Plumbing Draining Water Heater Repair/